How to hire e-commerce developers and not land in the soup. By ProCoders. Do you want to stand out from the crowd and reap all the benefits of having a great custom online e-commerce platform? Here's why you should hire an e-commerce developer. It is predicted that by 2040, e-commerce will account for 95% of all purchases. The advantages for SMEs notably include positive indirect network effects, global market access, advanced analytics/AI, e.g. for targeting market segmentation, impact analysis, lower transaction costs, e.g. payment, shipping, logistics, and increased client trust, i.e. reviews system, platform insurance. It is virtually impossible to put together a team of full-stack programmers. That's why a lot of companies prefer to hire an e-commerce developer specifically for their projects. And if there is a shortage of specialists in your area, you can access the global pool of talent and hire remote e-commerce developers. The best time to seek help from a qualified specialist is when you already have an idea of the brand, the general concept of the site, the list of functions that it should perform, and define straightforward objectives. Even if you already have a working website, but want to add new functions, redesign, or wrap up a code, if you want to move it to another platform, these are the first clues that you need an e-commerce developer. A full-time e-commerce developer can carry out multiple activities and meet your needs and the needs of your clients. Here are some specific general services that you can get when you hire e-commerce web developers. UI/UX design. The clearer the interface, the easier it is for the user to get the result and take the targeted action. Front-end web design. A front-end developer creates a part of a web page visible to the user. They use frameworks like React.js, Angular, Vue.js, and others to create the structure of a web page. Back-end web development, software and hardware part of the service. This is what is hidden from our eyes and implements the logic of a website. Mobile app design. The process includes evaluation, analytics, design, development, testing, bug fixing, release, and post-release support. It's no secret that smartphones play a significant role in the evolution of e-commerce. Custom software development, creating software for your specific needs that can't be met with commercial off-the-shelf software. The list of e-commerce developer responsibilities. Identifying the needs of your platform and possible solutions for them. Using their expertise to research and recommend innovative techniques. Configuring, designing, and developing scalable and responsive e-commerce solutions. Assisting in implementing and supporting a digital marketing strategy for your company. Providing post-release support, delivering new functions and integrations, remediating any issues. Tips how to hire dedicated e-commerce developers. Define what you want. Decide on a budget. If you want a cost cut, you can hire remote e-commerce developers and assemble a global A-team. The average annual salary for an American e-commerce developer is $104,249, $50 hour. In Ukraine, an average annual salary is around $35,780, $17 hour, and you will have an outstanding quality of the end result. Don't flake on checking skills. Look through the portfolio and make sure that the programmer you are planning to hire has experience building online e-commerce platforms. And do not hesitate to give a technical task to test their abilities. This will allow you to weed out candidates who are not suitable for you. How to hire e-commerce developers with ProCoders. Do you want to hire e-commerce web developers to expand your team? Or do you want us to handle the development from start to finish? We can do both. At ProCoders, we value diverse tech knowledge and constantly improve upon our skills. We value your time as well. The process of hiring with ProCoders takes only 2 weeks. We might even speed things up if you are in a hurry, and our teams are highly scalable. You can offboard or on the contrary hire a new team member within a short period of time. You don't have to waste time searching for perfect matches. We take care of it. We evaluate the skills, the requirements, the needs, the budget. Basically, do the homework for you. All you have to do is conduct an interview and approve your soon-to-be team members, easy as that. Conclusion. As the success of sites such as Amazon, eBay, and AliExpress shows, the future belongs to companies that have gone digital. Contact Procoders and we will make sure you'll have the best e-commerce solutions from the best developers. Subscribe our channel and read more about how to hire e-commerce developers and not land in the soup. At Procoders blog.